So in this video, we're going to show you how to replace the sky here and put in a sunset, and hopefully make the scene look a bit darker, so it looks as part of a sunset scene. So what we want to do first of all is take the fuzzy select tool, also known as the magic wand tool if you're using other programs, and we are going to check here the tool settings. There's different options you can use here. So the first one is just select. So for example, if I just select something, if I go back, it only selects certain areas. What I want to do is it's to add to those selections. So you choose this option, add to current selection. So now when I click on something, it starts adding it to all of my current selections. So every time you click somewhere, it will add it. Okay, makes it really easy then to pick up everything, especially if the colors are mostly the same. Okay. So what I want to do then is to get rid of this sky. So if I go back here, I see my layer, the city JPEG here. If I just do select or edit, sorry, and press clear, it just makes it all white. Okay. But what I want to actually do is to take it out completely, because I want to put something in the background. The easiest way to do that, there is other ways of doing it. So if I just click here, I'll show you how to go back. Just go back here. Okay. I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to select and invert. So I'm going to, whatever I've selected, I'm going to select everything else instead of that. So I'm going to do invert. Now I've selected the building. Now what I want to do is I'm going to cut this. Okay, and I'm going to paste it. So edit, paste as a new layer. Okay, so now I have two layers on here, clipboard and city. So I did that by clicking on edit, paste as new layer. Okay, so now all I want to do is get rid of this bit. Now just click on the layers tab here, click here, click on this button. Okay, now you'll notice it's got this checked background. That means it's clear. Okay, that means I can put something in behind that and it'll show up. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to select, none. So now it's nothing selected. I'm going to open as layers, a second piece here, or actually I can just drag it in here hopefully. So if I go take my image, sunset, drop it in here. Okay. Just get rid of that. So you'll notice that the sunset is on top of my picture. I don't want that to happen. Okay. So I'm going to go, you'll see here it's on clipboard is the bottom here, and then sunset's here on top. Just go and click and move it down. Okay. Now we have the sunset at the background. Okay. And what we want to do is click the move tool. Make sure you're selected on the sunset layer. We're going to just move it up. Okay. You can probably move it up a little bit more depending on what you want to do. Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can get it in line. Okay. So now we have our sunset in the background. Doesn't look like it's nighttime yet though. Okay, so we need to change that. So if I just do select, it's none now. Okay, just go back to here. Okay, so now we have our screen, or we have our background. So the next one then is to change this. So we want to go to brightness and contrast. Okay, and we can take down the brightness of this one. Okay, so, and we can adjust the contrast as well. Probably not what we want. A little bit this way maybe. Okay. Okay, so now it looks like it's darker, but this sunset still doesn't look correct. So we can do the same with it. And what we probably want to do with it is do colors to get it down as well. Okay. Okay. that. Reset. No way, I didn't want to do that, so let's go back. Okay, so try it again. Colors, brightness and contrast. We can bring it down a little bit. Okay, let's see, where's my settings going again? Okay, so you can adjust it until you're happy with it. Press OK. Okay, so give that a go. See how you get on.